Okay, featured here are two components available at Arc-Jet-Weld.com. The handheld torch adapter fixture, which goes into a standard, this is actually a Boss Manufacturing breakaway magnetic torch holder for machine torch. More common though are these hand torches, so these can actually be used with my adapter fixture available at Arc-Jet-Weld.com, which incidentally allows for this screw here being loosened, and you can set this at any angle you wish. So you can go this way or this way at any variable angle that you would like to create a bevel cut. Then I have the Plasma Reactive Exciter. What this does is it injects mist, which actually turns to steam inside of the cutting plasma beam. And that creates a much cleaner cut with less dross sticking to the underside and less toxins to breathe. So let me go ahead and invoke this. I also have this computer system and drive system fully enclosed in a metal enclosure, the micro drive amplifiers. But on top of that, I have another kit coming up here soon on Arc-Jet-Weld.com, which will provide anyone with a high frequency plasma cutter a kit to shield these components from the disruptive high frequency radio frequency energy that would otherwise render the system absolutely useless. So let's go ahead and invoke the cycle start here. Once the compressor shuts down, I should be good. Let's go ahead and do it. Cycle start, closing this up. But watch what happens when I leave the door open. It'll cut out. So here we go. And that's about as clean a cut as you're going to ever find. What's nice is I'm able to run a high frequency plasma cutter. This one is a Lotus LTP 7000, which is hiding out down there. And it's nothing special really, it's just a much lower cost alternative for cutting. Uses high frequency, but with my methods and kits, I can enable it to be fully run on a CNC plasma table successfully. I cut all this out. I can cut all the way up to inch thick material, running about 70 amps there. I even have an 80 amp as a backup unit, which will certainly push me to 1 inch thick cut capacity. So anyhow, just wanted to go ahead and showcase these products that I have at my website, Arc-Jet-Weld.com. Check it out. I've got an adapter fixture here for handheld torches. In the orange, it is a 3D printed part. Enables for bevel cutting as well with the set screw. And then I've got the Reactive Plasma Steam system, which augments the plasma cutting beam and lessens the dross and the toxins that one might breathe otherwise. So again, check it out, Arc-Jet-Weld.com. Thank you for your interest. CT out.